Time for Chef Suzy!
Hi, welcome to the Produce Pick of the Month. I'm Chef Suzy, and we're talking about blueberries. Blueberries are packed with the highest amount of antioxidants of any fruit. Blueberries are a perennial flowering plant. They're native to North America, and they were introduced into Europe in the 1930s. They grow in low bush or high bush. Low bush are wild blueberries, whereas high bush are the most common, and they have richer antioxidants than the low bush ones. So the shrubs can grow about 4 inches to 13 feet. They're sweet, they're delicious, and they're nutritious. They're a superfood, low in calories and high in nutrients. They've got great fiber. As a matter of fact, 4 grams of fiber in 1 cup, 85 calories in 1 cup. 114 milligrams of potassium in just 1 cup of blueberries. They've got 1.1 gram of protein in 1 cup. 1 cup also equals 15 carbs. And today, we're gonna make blueberry lemonade. And we're gonna use 2.5 cups of blueberries. So can you imagine how many nutrients you're getting just from this recipe? Let's get started. So what I did was, I took 2.5 cups of washed blueberries. They can be fresh or frozen. And then I put them in a pan and I sauteed them with 1/2 cup of agave nectar. Now you can use a cup of granulated sugar or any sweetener that you use. And then I boiled them, I let them get room temperature, and now I'm gonna strain them right in this pitcher. And this is how you make blueberry lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and just strain them right into the pitcher. And what you'll do is you'll use a strainer, and you can do it any way that you can do it in your kitchen with whatever supplies you have. I'm just straining this in because I've already boiled it and I've already added the sweetener. So it's going to be delicious. And then after I strain these blueberries that have already been boiled, then I'm going to add lemons. I'm going to add 4 lemons. I'm going to juice them, add them to this pitcher. I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to serve it over ice, and it's going to be the most delicious lemonade you've ever had because it's blueberry lemonade. And that's the produce pick of the month. Now blueberries have so much vitamin C and vitamin K, they even feature a crown at the very tip. If you look at the tip of your blueberry, you'll see a crown. Now that I've strained my blueberries, now I'm gonna get started with my lemons. Now these lemons, all I have to do is cut them in half. Now you wanna use room temperature lemons because they juice easier and you get more juice out of them. And I'm just gonna juice the lemon right into this jar here. And you can use any kind of way. You can even just juice them right into the pitcher, whatever's easier for you. But I'm gonna use about 4 lemons here. We want the lemons because the lemons are packed with vitamin C. This is such a delicious drink, and it's also super nutritious. Can't go wrong with that. So, I've got 2 lemons so far. Moving right on to my last 2 lemons. Go ahead and just squeeze them right in here. And this is going to be something you can make for the people you love because you can give them all the nutrition they deserve. And as a matter of fact, blueberries have so many antioxidants, and lemons are so alkalizing, and they've got the vitamin C. People are going to love this drink, and you're also doing them a big favor. So now I'm going to add my fresh lemon juice to the pitcher. And then I'm just going to do a little sweet mix right here. And then I'm going to add it right over ice, just like so. And you've got blueberry lemonade. Oh, let's not forget 2.5 cups of water. Gotta add your water. So after I add my water, I just do a little mix here. And then I just, very simply, pour it right over ice. And this, my friends, is blueberry lemonade. And I hope you enjoyed your produce pick of the month.